Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the oven door handle or the broiler drawer handle on your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. If you're replacing the handle on the broiler drawer, pull the drawer out and use a Phillips-head screwdriver to unthread the two mounting screws to release the old handle. Install the new drawer handle by aligning it on the drawer, then thread the two mounting screws to secure. To replace the oven door handle, fully open the oven door and rotate both door hinge locks back. Partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. Set the door handle side down on a towel or blanket. Use the Phillips-head screwdriver to unthread the two upper screws to release the old handle. Align the new handle on the door and thread the two screws. Reinstall the oven door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Lower the door to its fully open position, then rotate the hinge locks forward. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your gas range should be ready for use.